In this video, we'll go through how to set up and use pass-through and hand tracking in Unity, so you can create interactive experiences for the MetaQuest. We start by opening our Unity project. Depending on your system, it may take a little time to initialize. Next, we need to install Meta XR from the Asset Store. Click Open in Unity to begin. Once the package manager opens, press Install. This process can take a moment, so let it run. The installation is now complete. Now click on Meta XR Tools, and then select Project Setup Tool. It's normal to see errors and warnings here. Simply choose Fix All and then Apply All to resolve the majority of issues. In the Package Manager, locate the XR Plugin Management package and install it. Inside Project Settings, under XR Plugin Management, enable Oculus under both the Android and Windows tabs. Inside the Building Blocks window, select Real Hands. This selection automatically includes the required prerequisite building blocks. As you can see, the blocks we selected have now been added to the scene. Before building the application, we also need to add the Touch Hand Grab building block. Back in the Build Settings window, open the drop-down next to Run Device and select your MetaQuest headset. Then click Switch Platform. Now choose Build and Run. Give your build a name and click Save. For future builds, you can use Patch and Run to significantly speed up the process. In the MetaQuest user interface, open Physical Space to find the Passthrough Settings. Enable Passthrough, and then launch your Unity Passthrough build. This has been a step-by-step tutorial on setting up pass-through and hand tracking for MetaQuest 2 and 3. Thank you for watching.